Here's how to add a Gmail account on your iPhone. Now first just head into the settings. If you wanted to add a Gmail account to the default Mail app so that you can add the calendars, contacts, all of that stuff, I'll walk you through that step. Of course, you can also just download the Gmail app. Now from here, let's scroll to the bottom and tap on apps, and then we're going to scroll down until we find Mail on this list. Now within here, it will have all of your email accounts, whether it's iCloud, whether it's Yahoo or Gmail, all of those are combined into one. Now, to add your Gmail, let's tap on Mail Accounts and add an account. And now from here, all you need to do is enter in that email account. It will automatically recognize it's Gmail and allow you to sign in. So I'm just gonna start entering it in here. You can see it auto-populates it here. And now all I need to do is use my passkey to log into that email. And I'm gonna hit continue. Now it says iOS wants to gain access. You're gonna, of course, hit continue because you wanna give it access. And now you'll be able to see it says mail, of course, your email. You can also sync up your contacts, calendars, and notes to your account as well. But let's say in this case, we just want your email. Just tap on the save button, and now it has been added. I'll find it just by opening up the email app itself, and there is that email account. I can open it up and I'll be able to see all of the emails associated with that Gmail.